Hello, and welcome to the Daily Job Digest with the Travel with Clem Brands. The company Goodwall is looking for a marketing director. So, my people in marketing, this is for you. Okay. Goodwall's remote first team is global and growing, and we hire talent wherever the talent is. Our social enterprise has raised 20 million plus in investment and has been featured by Forbes, CNN, and the Wall Street Journal. We're hiring a talented and experienced marketing director to lead our marketing team and drive Goodwall's user acquisition strategy. In this role, you will be part of our leadership team, working closely with our funders, product and communication community team, contributing towards key strategic decisions and being a key player in Goodwall's growth trajectory. Okay. They tell you a little bit more about the different sections of what your job will entail and the requirements. So they're looking for somebody with at least 5 years of experience in growth marketing, adept with core digital marketing channels, including organic influencer marketing and paid social marketing, data-driven, exemplary written and verbal communication skills in English, experience in people management, hands-on proactive, and comfortable working in a fast-paced environment. So that would be an opportunity for you to basically operate and work at a higher level with a company that has an international team and a challenging, fast-moving environment where change is constant and creativity is celebrated. So if this seems like you, click on the button apply for this job here. Include your full name, email address, phone number, upload your CV, put in your cover letter, and submit the application, and voila. I hope you go forth and put yourself out there for these jobs. Remember, you miss 100% of the job of those shots that you don't take. Make sure you don't leave the channel without subscribing and turning on your post notifications. See you in the next video. Bye.